Hi folks, I'm Pete Kutzer with the Orvis Fly Fishing Schools, and today I want to talk to you about making a back cast as your fishing cast. In fly fishing, we're actually making two casts. We're making a back cast, then we're making a forward cast, and we can fish with either one. If we learn to make that back cast or fishing cast, we're going to double our chances of catching fish. When we cast, we're going to stop that rod, and then we're going to lower our rod tip down right into that back cast. This is a great cast when we have some windy conditions or we want to double our chances. I'm standing on the bow of the boat right here. If I'm right-handed and I only can make a forward cast, all my casts are going to go out in this direction. Well, what happens when the fish are right back here? The first thing we want to think about is not making a very high angle cast. Traditionally, we make a straight up back cast and an out in front forward cast. Well, if I do that, we're not going to do our back cast up here in the air, because now a little bit of breeze could come and take that fly for a ride. What we're going to do is we're going to do a low angle cast. We're going to make our forward cast down here, and then our back cast is going to be a nice low angle cast. And now my fly is going to go out nice and straight. If you practice this back cast and deliver that out, I guarantee it's going to help you catch a lot more fish. Low angle forward cast, low angle back cast, rod tip low, and now we're in good position to catch more fish.